Oh, one day, can't see nothing right, so I'm gonna ask you something. Before I ask you, what I going, you alright?
Yeah, man. Me there away from my friend. I want to talk to one teacher and me and him I go walk home together.
Oh, the Rasta boy there, you was a par with?
Yeah, him.
You and him there, something come ever soon with each other. So, I must ask.
No, man. Me and him grew up together. We're just friends.
Alright, that cool. So, you all know, if you want to go out with me later on, after school, I mean.
Alright. Not a problem.
So, we see you later.
Alright, later, Richard. Junior, I thought we'd all go home together.
Sorry, I just true. My father called me and we don't want to rush, so you ready?
Yeah. I want to. Why you so vexed?
I'm vexed, I'm just tired.
You know, Richard asked me out, for go somewhere later today. So, me have to go home and change my clothes and everything.
Yeah, man, that cool. Alright, before we go home now, I want to do some stuff.
He's a good kitty, so cute. Yes, you are. Daddy. Hi, Daddy. What's up?
Cheyenne, you can't put on a mangy post there. You mean to have the post up?
Daddy, she isn't mean. Look how she's pretty.
Wait, say, come on, go inside. Cheyenne, how was that? Oh, there's something in the corner. Where you get that from?
That's a cat tree, Daddy.
Cat tree. I that you really spend money on me give for? Cat tree. Tree no outside for the cat for climb on.
But Daddy, me want to get her something nice.
Which boy your mother they come? Me can't bother with the foolishness.
So, Sean, you honey, find yourself around here.
So what that you make Cheyenne go buy? Cat tree. I don't have money for years.
Auntie, no slow that pussy already. Or you have to do about that.
Like how you get round up.
Before you ring Cheyenne or your granny, can't have look fun now.
Junior, you want some to eat? I'll here cook chicken back and dumpling. Just that, daddy. Shouldn't cook nothing else. Yo, that cool in daddy. Me no want to feed right now. So I'll go on with you. I swear things say you and Diana would have go out today when I was going every Friday. Diana got out with one boy. Something about your son. Come on, make me hear you have a talk. Why you so down and out about? Tell me. Daddy, me have feelings for Diana, and I don't know if we explain it. I really like her. We kind of figure say that one could crush on her. But we never know say it have it so bad. Crush. That type of word they want to use for it. Feel like, I don't know, feel like me in love with her, kind of. Alright, look on it like this. Used to be in love with her mother too, and it never worked out. You one day now, no coming like family, so maybe she just not feel the same way about you. That's why she go out with the boy. So yeah, I tried to miss him for just forget about her like that? Like, really, daddy? I mean, like, just forget about her because that wouldn't be reality, but just think about it like this. If somebody not have no feelings for you, you can't change their mind. That's what me learn the hard way. Junior, I just know want you go through the same thing with me they go through with Octavia. That's just it. Just find one other girl for focus on. Alright, daddy. Get what you say. Thanks. Whoa. Tina, you look really nice.
Thanks. You make me kinda blush.
It's just the truth. So, come go get something to eat now. So, what type of music you like?
Dancehall, some R&B, and I don't know, any little thing was sound good.
Yeah, man, that's still, yes, it's still. So, what's your favorite food?
Well, I love curry goat and white rice, and I love plantain.
Yeah, so that your mother always cook for you?
No, my granny always cook it. I don't know about my mother did. It's a long story.
Sorry. I just don't know what to talk.
That's alright. I mean, it's a normal question to ask people. So what about you? How's your family?
Well, I meet my twin brother Sebastian, but I live with my mother and my father. And my brother Sean, my big brother. And I have an auntie who live uptown. I have an uncle, but him did dead a couple years back. And my father family, I wouldn't really talk to them. Sorry, I feel like we killed the world mood, kinda.
No, it's alright. You never kill the mood. You just ask questions. Questions need answers, right? Come on, cheer up. You're not that serious.
Alright, as long as you enjoy your time. Grandma, what going on? How's everything? Grandma, really? You really bleach your skin? Hey boy, but you ever stop calling me granny? Me and a damn granny. You deaf? Look by your skin, grandma, you look like the crypt keeper. So you really have to come in and come disrespect me like that? You know, no manners. Yo, forward in the kitchen, me need to talk to you about something. Cause me not in a long argument with you, alright?
I agree, Grandma.
Lord, you make me sound 50 times me age. Oh, great grandma.
I'm sorry.
Look by you. You kinda favor your father, but at the same time you're ugly like your mama. Especially with that big chin there. Oh, and granddaughter make it and she ugly. Well alive. Yo, Dave, stop talking something they too her for. Am I fire breed or ugly girl? No behavior. I get vexed with me. Remember that girl you take from your father? You remember how pretty and brown she be? I should have she your breed. You know, make some cupid with that girl. Well, you say I did breed her. I should dash her the belly. And that's how it go. I never come over here for discuss my personal life with you, you know. That you say that will help me get one work. Never work for you. But to you still, I don't know if you're gonna do it. No, legal work, grandma. Work with, legal, not illegal. You always come with this again. We are working our call center. Make some chum change that you want. Listen, me be real with you. If you want work, nice money, then you come link me. If you want make some chump change, go on Jamaican classifieds. Or it can be like your work is for and go live off of that little girl and mother money for that you want though.
Thanks a lot, Richard. May have a nice time. May I see you at school Monday?
Alright, we see you next week. Yeah, wash hard.
Yeah, grandma got up on the road and she left me to do all of the work again.
So, how was the date with the boy then?
It was really funny. Him kinda nerdy, but I like him.
Sure him not play some head game with you? I mean, look on him brother.
No, I think him really like me. And him still not like him brother. Just because him a twin no mean nothing.
You just know him already. Tell me what him is.
What wrong with you? What you acting like a big brother for?
I just feel like you forget to know him and come over before you automatically think him is a good man.
Man, him younger than me. I don't know why you're going so far. You okay, it's hard for somebody to like me or something. I mean, it's been my first date, and yeah, make it seem a way. I thought you was my friend.
He's your friend, that's why I look out for you. And I say, you have to wait a little bit before you think say this is a good person you deal with.
You know what, Junior? It's fine. Should I just never tell you nothing? Just come out of me, alright?
Look, Diana, I'm sorry, okay? Just don't worry about you, alright?
Seem like you're being negative, not worry.
Me not just show him brother. I grown afraid everybody in a school, so I don't know if him stay the same way. I'm just a try play with your emotions. So that's why I'm just a bit concerned. As your friend, I'm just a look out for you. Just forget me saying nothing, alright? I'm not gonna bother you about him again.
Man, I'll go inside, go clean up the plate then. Come, link me later, alright? Maybe watch a movie with you. It's alright, later, Junior.
Jackson, what you do here? What you getting at the house? The door did lock.
Look like you forget to Ali give me a key.
Alright then, so what you do here? You only come on when you want something.
Hello? Yeah man, I'm so far. They have my father house I deal with some things. So come look for you at the later.
Youth, which part your mother there?
She there with her new man, you know. Your daddy ever did man so rough, man. You move so hard. You need to relax your whole self, man. I can stay with you for a while, man. I miss the family, you see him. Yo, I'm hungry, you know. Go make me something to eat.